This is a 1968 Triumph Bonneville 650cc, the T120R. I've not got it running, it's got no spark. It's got no battery, but when I connect it up to one, the ignition lights come on. Not bad condition. Possibly last on the road in 1989 in Pennsylvania. I found something unusual with the VIN numbers. It's obviously a Triumph with an oil-in frame, but I usually see the VIN number up here, and I've rubbed it off, can't see it. And then I saw a BSA number here. The title that I've got matches the engine number, but in the early 70s Triumph was using BSA frames, and that's what I assume's happened. When BSA shut, Triumph used the last frames that were already marked up. I've got a new tag there for the frame, so it's unusual, but it makes it rare. And there you go.